Come on, Abby. Let's go. Let's go. Stand up. Come on, you made it this far. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Good girl. Come on. Let's go see Jake and Mia. Come on. Hey, girls, call Abby so she can climb up the stairs.
Abby, coming. Come on. Come on, Abby.
There we go. Keep going.
Come on, Abby. Come on. Come on, Abby. Hello.
Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Come on, stand up. Stand up.
You want to go read it up? You want to go read it up?
Come on. Here, come on. Let's go. Let's go. No, you got to do it. Abby's got to do it.
Can you let my ears in?
There we go. Stand up, baby. Good girl. All right, come on. Abby, come on. Let's go up the stairs.
Come on, Abby.
Come on. Let's see you do it.
Come on.
Abby. No, we're going to let Abby do it. Come on.
Come on.
Good girl. Come on, stand up. Oh, big girl. There we go.
Come on, sisters. Come on.
Abby, come on.
Come on, Abby. Can I do it?
What are you doing that for?
Yeah.
Well, where'd they go? They're upstairs still. Come on, let's go. Come on. There's a girl. Come on, go and see Mia. Come on. Abby's. Come on, Abs.
Come on, Abby. Let's go. Let's go.
Stand up. There we go. Use those little legs. Very good.
Come on.
Come on, Miss Abby. Okay, good girl. Come on.
Come on, Abby.